Bacteria, molds, viruses, and other microorganisms are the first reason of a lot of illnesses. These pathogenic microorganisms can diffuse in several ways to places where people live and breathe. Assuming that a person consumes 20,000 liters of air in 24 hours, it is evident that many diseases in everyday life occur from polluted air with impaired ion balance. The natural plasma ions and active hygienic agents emitted by the Hygiene Nano Reactor inactivates microorganisms to gain perfect air quality. New generation Nano Hygiene Reactor air sterilization devices help eliminate these problems. Clean Technology CT Pro Max UV lamp that radiates ultraviolet light is covered with nano-compound stainless steel shielding and an electronical system. Safe and easy to install system. Our product tests are carried out with the ATP Hygiene Monitoring Detector, which provides clear information about the hygiene level of the environment by measuring the amount of ATP on surfaces. This technology targets to initiate active hygiene fight. Hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide, superoxide, negligible ozone, and all the negative ions combined with the plasma that developed in the reactor flow with air to reach the area where it needs to be cleaned. After this operation, all of microorganisms and odors are inactivated, and they turn into hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide without any polluted material. This minimizes the risk of contamination. The air, surfaces, or inaccessible places are cleaned immediately, and hygiene activation starts. Since the system operates 24 hours a day, microbial cleaning in the environment takes days. This operation consumes a small amount of energy. Hygiene Nano Reactor continues working for a year. While you and your customers shop peacefully, we clean the environment from all microorganisms for you. Nanogen Air, clean technology.